Okay, so give me your first impressions. What do you think of the chair?
I feel it's comfortable.
The seat's a little stiff, but I think that I'd want it that way.
Not bad. The arms are adjustable, which is, they have a lot of different places to go.
You know, it's not bad.
You know, I think I could sit in this chair most of the day.
So this is the weight recline mechanism. I like it.
Yeah.
It does it. It's smooth.
The lumbar is good because you can manually move it where you need it to be.
It's not the most comfy I've ever sat in, but it's certainly not the worst.
I think I would be fine for all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the back is reasonably comfortable.
I like the lumbar. You can definitely feel it when you're adjusting it. You can feel it move up and down. Provides good support.
The arms, they're amazing.
Up and down on it, it really has a good range, so.
Okay.
Man, it doesn't want to move.
You gotta just slide it up. It's all the way up right now, I think.
Oh, okay. I was trying to put it up further.
They're blinding.
Well, try about it. What? Try about it.
I like this chair. Yeah. Do you have any other questions?
2 thumbs up from Dave.
Slide. Who doesn't need a slide?
Whee! The wee makes it.
That's good.
Oh,
Thanks, Steve.
everything- I'm dizzy.
Wait, I gotta comb my hair. It's gonna be out.
Take your time, Kim.